Are you on Clubhouse? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And if you are, let's connect. Follow me. My handle there is Hennigs. If you are not on Clubhouse, you may wonder, what does this have to do with me? Why should I join Clubhouse when it is right now this uber-hyped platform where people are selling their admission to Clubhouse because right now you need to get an invite to join the so-called exclusive club. There are also some clubs out where they charge you money for participating, which is all against the rules of Clubhouse, which shows once more how different microcosm of the universe exists in any little setting. But for beginners, Clubhouse is a new social media platform. It got hyped up. I joined about a month ago and I'm still learning. But what I realized so far is the following. Number one, if you want to reach out to a new group of decision makers, you have to be on Clubhouse because that's where the new generation of decision makers is being formed and bred and put into work. Number two, if you have a social media strategy, always scout what's out in the market and identify, does it make sense to jump on this train or does it make sense to ignore this train for a while? And number three, as always, consider the liability. If you are making statements on Clubhouse, consider that Clubhouse has the same rules as so many other platforms. You may be liable for misrepresentation, libel, slander, and you name it. And for a discussion, which I just listened on Clubhouse the other day, you just cannot sell shares on Clubhouse because you need to be a broker. Just because you're in a club, you still have to follow the law, which is applicable all over the world, including a social media platform. For everybody else who does not know what Clubhouse is, reach out to me. I'm happy to give you not only my personal tutorial, or if I have again one of those cool invites, I'm happy to share one of my Clubhouse invites with you. Until then, we have to be on the phone or meet in person, whatever social media that may